What up, y'all? So today what we're gonna do, we haven't done a pressure washing job in a minute since we've been focusing on the auto detailing business. So I'm very excited, man, to bust out the big machine. Again, actually, because yesterday I tried to record, but I guess I didn't have no batteries on me. But I had a pressure washing job yesterday, and I did it. It was amazing, man. I did take pictures. I took a little bit of video. I'm going to show that right now. But yeah, man, we back at it. We out here grinding, trying to get a good jobs more popping, you know, trying to get some more jobs popping. Yeah, man, you guys get out there, man. Get out there and start getting work. If you ain't got no work, make some work. That's the whole thing about it, is that when you ain't got no work, you gotta go make work. So I'm gonna be doing some demos soon, man. I want to get big on the demos. I want to start targeting maybe apartment complexes or something like that. I want to get a whole apartment complex gig. That'll be good for me, man. I want to get a good apartment complex gig. Man, what's new? I fixed the tire. That had problems with my tire. Fixed that and got no issues with it. I'm passing downtown right now. Las Vegas, baby. It's a lot of things you can wash here. There's a lot of parking garages and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get those contracts. Get the parking garages. Look at all these parking garages we could be cleaning right there. You see that? Those parking garages need to be cleaned up. Yeah, man, so right now I'm just focusing on getting more work, getting this YouTube channel popping, you know, showing you guys how we do it, right? Because if you guys ain't following along, what I'm doing now is I'm building something. I'm trying to build a course to show you everything exactly how we do it, and it's coming out soon, man. Just give me a little bit of time. I think today we're in the age of knowledge, right? And I got a lot of knowledge in this business. This is what I've been doing. I started this business with an idea, and we're doing it, man. I have a freedom to work for myself when I want to, how I want to, get paid how much I want to, you know. So I go target the jobs that I want to get paid off of. I like to target the jobs. Like if I say, man, I do good at that job, I go target that job. You know, don't get it wrong. There is some jobs that you're gonna come across that you ain't gonna want to do, right? But it's like life, you know. You don't always want to do everything. You don't want to go work out. You don't want to go run. You don't want to eat the vegetables, eat healthy, right? But we got to do it, man. Got to do it. So sometimes it's not all about. But that's why we target the things. You know what I mean? You know, we target our jobs. How beautiful this day is today, man. Gratitude for today, baby. Gratitude for today. It's a beautiful day out here. You got to thank the universe and God for giving you everything that He's giving you. Alright, we're almost there. So I'm gonna gear up today, put you on my chest, and you can see what I see. Alright, let's go. valve, you can get good pressure with that. So, and we did this one too as well. The door, the whole garage. We're actually gonna do this whole entire. We're gonna do all of this right here. It's all concrete, and we're gonna soft wash the house because it just got done construction. I actually did the whole electrical in this house. I'm the electrician at this house. Yep, we did. I did this whole entire house. We did the outlets. We did everything. The whole entire house. It was pure studs. It would be nice if I could seal this though. That'll be good. If I could seal all these pavers, it'd look beautiful. But for today, I'm thinking we are gonna have to clean all these pavers though. We will have to clean all the pavers, and we will have to clean everything. We still have another garage, but we're not gonna do it all just yet because, excuse me, landscapers are still coming through here, so we haven't finished that up yet. All right, guys, that's for today's vlog. We went ahead and cleaned up everything. Trailer's packed up, and I'm ready to call it a day, boys.